Hi, I'm Ari, and this is Ringo. And today I'm going to be making her some healthy dog treats from food scraps. High five, Ringo. Good girl. Hey, you stop it! Every week I fill up this container with scraps I know are okay for dogs. This week I got sweet potato peels, mushroom stems, some carrot nubs, some zucchini ends, and some mushy blueberries I forgot about. Make sure to look up what dogs can and cannot eat. The American Kennel Club is a good resource. First, I'm gonna add my scraps to my food processor. Then I'm gonna add 1 cup of pumpkin puree, which is actually great for dogs' digestion. Now we're gonna blend it up. Whoosh. I'm gonna add 2 cups of oat flour, which I made by blending up some quick oats. And we got some flour. The 1 cup of mush that I made, and 1 egg. Now I'm gonna stir it up. Now I'm gonna roll these up into bite-sized little balls and place them on the silicone baking mat. And now time to put them in the oven. I set the oven to 350, and now we're gonna bake these puppies for 10 minutes. This is the compost we made.
Let's see how Ringo likes these treats. So these don't have any preservatives in them. Make sure you put them in the fridge or freezer. Up, up, up. High five. Now down.